Throw it that way. Cast it.
Good job. Good job. Now what you do is now just stop and you wait.
Hold on your pole. Hold on to it. If the fish catches it,
do you know how to do this?
You're gonna run away.
Have you ever done this?
And you watch that bobber. If it starts moving,
You don't know how to throw it? Okay, one of the guys is gonna have to help you.
we'll help you. And you just keep an eye on that bobber. And if it starts bobbing up and down, then you got to pull on it and you reel it in. Okay?
Up and down.
It bobs up and down.
Hold on, Keegan. We don't really have enough of those.
Yeah. We'll help out here in a sec, guys.
Okay.
I'll help in a sec. All right. Good luck, Gabe.
You got a little bluegill.
Keep reeling.
You got a little bluegill.
Oh, keep reeling.
Hey, look at the fish.
Keep reeling.
Don't let go. Good job, Mick.
All right, Mick.
Good job, Mick. Look at that.
Finish rolling it.
Can you let it hang down just a little bit?
You got a little slack.
Nice job. Gabe, you see the fish over here? Mick caught the first fish.
She said she was gonna catch one today.
Nice job.
I caught two the other day.
That's a crappie.
Let me see it.
That's a pregnant crappie.
Cool.
Wanna hold it?
It's a what?
Sure, I caught two.
Here, Mick.
Have Daddy show you how to hold it.
First off, you gotta hold it like this.
He won't.
Hey, Erica.
Yeah.
The other day I catch
Right.
two fish.
Awesome job, Sai.
There we go. Now,
Woof, woof.
Fish?
you put your pole down like this. Just a second, I'll be right there, sweetie.
Gonna dig one more. That is awesome.
All right, now we gotta
Cool.
get the hook out.
Going. Keep going.
Keep pulling, Gabe.
Okay, let's go. Let's walk over here.
Keep pulling.
We're gonna walk.
He's going through the bushes.
Hold on.
Hang on. Daddy's gonna help. Look at that. Keep reeling.
Real man. Real man. Keep going.
Yeah.
Going. Keep going.
Nice job, Gabe.
Keep going.
Tiny.
That's okay.
That's a good catch.
Good job.
Hey,
That's
come here.
probably you.
No,
Here,
go.
we'll take a picture. Come here. Hold it here.
Probably
This is how we do it. Okay?
That's probably
Just hold the string
mine.
like this.
Yep. You don't have to hold the fish. Just hold
Don't
the.
hold the fish. You just hold the string
That's
up here.
probably my bag.
Wait, you gotta
Jeez.
hold it. Hold it.
You're pretty proud.
Right there. Hold it. Hold it. You're letting go. Hold it. Right there.